Oh my god. Oh. Holy shit. Alright, this is a little weird going down the center. Come on, center. Get over. Yes, thank you. Oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. Alright, oh god. Alright, let's see if it does it. I'm not touching nothing. Don't kill me. No way. What the fuck? What? Dude, what? Alright, I'm not gonna lie. This is incredible so far. Whoa. Alright, come on. It's gotta get over soon. Honestly, damn it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alright, it's a light. Alright, let's see. Holy shit. This is... It's here. It's here and it's good.
In 1,000 feet, turn left to take the Interstate 79.
I ain't touching nothing. No way. No way is it gonna do this. Alright, here.
Turn left to take the Interstate 79 south ramp.
Okay. 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 Word. Get letting over. Good.
In 1 mile, take exit 73 on the right onto Pennsylvania 910.
Apply slight force to the steering wheel on highways. Makes sense. This is doing a fantastic job. Let's see what it's like if I take over. Oh. Oh, God. Whoa. Oh, that's incredibly precise. Holy moly. Alright. Well, word. Let's see what happens here. Oh. Wow.
Now take exit 73.
That's incredible. Oh my god. Why do I need I don't need a plaid. Well, I knew that from the beginning. But I really don't need a plaid. Alright, so this has insane mode. It has launch mode. Alright, sure, let's see. I gotta say, I'm not even mad about this build quality because it's actually improved a lot. Looks great, drives fantastic. What is it? Like, damn. Like, okay. Camera? Whoa. Thought I broke something, but... Hang on, once I get a little distance here, a little clearing here. Safety first, and a 5,000 pound. Holy shit.